welcome back again to All Things Chuwi TV's channel. Anyhow, so today's video is gonna be about updates on this my new Chuwi Lapbook Pro 14.1 inches window 10, which I got on the 25th of March this year. So this is just 2 months update, and yeah, so I'm gonna dive into it. Let's say that this tutorial is gonna be a detailed update, because if I jump a lot of things, you might not really understand anything, but if I give you guys a details, then you really understand what I'm saying. And make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will know what you don't know before you buy it. So number one thing is the problem. Anyways, I can't really say that this laptop has a problem. The problem might probably be me. You know, as someone who nearly got something, I was so shocking that I want to, you know, like operate everything and touch everything, not knowing what I'm touching or what I'm not touching, because I used the eyes of Chromebook to operate with the 10, and which landed me into a very big problem that I regretted for 1 good month. So the problem right here is that when I was, you know, like operating it at the first time that I bought my editing software, which masters my hand, so I ended up, you know, like updating the software. I was locked out. I'll put the video on the screen for you guys so that you will see what I'm saying. So yeah, that is how I was locked out. I tried to fix the problem by myself, but when I was updating the window 10, I was asked to, you know, put like something flash disk drive or DVD, so which I ignored, and that is how I ended up, you know, they ended up asking me to choose the operating system because there are now 2 windows, so I have to take it to technician. The situation started on the 9th of April, and on the 10th I took it to the technician. So the technician, you know, like told me that it's his job, that he can do it. 1 week later, I didn't hear anything from him. 2 weeks later, I asked him. He said that the laptop is alright, that he has done everything. For sure, I thank him, or I say thank you. 3 weeks later, I don't see laptop. I didn't see my laptop. So 4 weeks later, on the 10th of May, he brought it to me and told me that he has done it. So I was glad that he did. Finally, to see my laptop working, no issue, nothing like update with the 10 as usual. And I was very careful, you know, like never to do such mistake again. So since that 10th of May, I have been using this laptop, and it's amazing. If you are familiar with MacBook, you know that this laptop is the same thing with MacBook, because the only difference there is that it's Windows 10 and it's Apple. So over to the performance. The performance of this laptop is awesome. I can say that it's perfect for a new beginner, and I don't really know if it's a perfect for a professional, but I know that this laptop is awesome. So the performance is everything. Is fast, nothing like when you are doing something and the thing will be slow. It sucks. It sucks to use a laptop that is very slow. Although this is 64 GB, but to me, I don't really download things. I only download the application that I'm using to edit my videos, so I don't really have a lot of applications on my laptop. But the thing is that the performance is that it's very fast when you are using it to, you know, like in any website. It's very fast. Like when you edit finish, is also fast in downloading anyhow you want your video, so it's very fast. So another thing is the battery life. The battery life is awesome. And you guys, when you want to buy a laptop, you will always consider the laptop that has a very good battery life. I can say that the battery life lasts me all day. If you game anything, but I can assure you that the battery life is awesome. And you know, when you bought something very new, you would like to handle the battery life by yourself. I didn't say that second-hand things is not good, just that the battery life is 50-50, so it's not guaranteed 100% from the new purchase. Another thing again here is my experiences with the laptop. Apart from the video that I showed you guys that I experienced in this laptop, I have never experienced any bad thing again ever since then in this laptop. I can highly recommend you guys to buy it if you're a new beginner, and it's amazing when it comes to editing your pictures. Like, oh, thanks to Jehovah, thanks to King of Kings, thanks to Almighty God, that I no longer edit with my iPad and my iPhone. So it now saved me the stress of editing with iPad and iPhone. If you haven't seen the video where I am unboxing it, make sure you check it out and see how I unbox it. And I haven't been making little changes. My aim was to buy this Chuwi Lapbook Pro. That is my dream. And not even Chuwi Lapbook Pro, I think it's Chuwi Hero Book. I have the money. I said to myself, instead of me to buy guys Chuwi Hero Book, I better buy the Lapbook Pro so that I will know that it's something that will last me for a very long time before I will also know if I am willing to upgrade to another laptop or if I'm not willing to upgrade. And this laptop is awesome. Like guys, if you have any intention of buying this Chuwi Lapbook Pro, just go and buy it. It's worth your money. It's worth spending for. It's worth everything that you want to in laptop if you're a new beginner. Like I said, I got it as a new beginner to help me to learn how to edit. But this is a gaming laptop. You can use it for gaming. You can use it for editing, you can use it for office work, you can use it for everything. So it allows you to use it for everything. The battery life, when you charge it, you can even use the battery life full day, depends on what you are using it for. So yeah guys, that is what I said. Let me just update you guys and share with you guys, because I really know that you guys need this information. Just believe me, trust me. I can actually guarantee you to go and get Chuwi Lapbook Pro to start with. But if you don't have any idea on how to, like use laptop, but I can say you should get it as well. But by going there, to avoid the mistake I experienced at the 2 weeks of using it, I would say that you should have a little bit of experience before before purchasing it to use it, so that it won't land you in the problem that I have already faced, which I regretted. Do you know what it takes to be without laptop for 1 good month? Like guys, I nearly cried. I nearly cried. I cried like I don't know what to do. I was like, if this guy didn't do this laptop, so what am I going to do next? To buy another laptop, or to wait for some time, or to continue with my phone? I was like thinking of this before he brought the good news to me that he has already fixed my laptop, and which I'm grateful for. So guys, yeah, that brings us to this end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video and comment down below. Till my next video, and I can't wait to see each and every one of you as usual. Bye.